May pinakamalakas ang potensyal para mapataas ang ekonomiya ng Pilipinas ay ang tourism industry. Bakit? Number 1. Tourism is labor, human capital, at natural intensive. At dahil nasa atin ang natural resources at historical sites, we have everything it takes.
This is what I call beautiful chaos. The city of Manila alive. As you can see, the clouds are starting to clear up, but a heavy mist has settled on this busy marketplace. This is a feeling unlike any other. Oh, this is what I love. Walking down this busy street here in Manila, it's clear to everyone that I'm a little out of place, but I gotta admit, these are the friendliest people I have met. Along our jaunt through these friendly slums, I found the Philippines to be a vivid tapestry of streets alive with loving people, children playing on every street corner, and, despite their poverty, the Filipinos themselves are among the most ebullient and happy people anywhere.
Pero bakit nakikita natin ang mga bansa sa ASEAN at tayo ang pinakakulilat? Sa Malaysia, 24 million tourists a year. Sa Thailand, 17 million a year. At sa Singapore, 9 million. Ilan sa Pilipinas? 3.9 million lang? Sa tingin nyo, paano mangyayari yan? Bakit ganun?
Hey, I'm Jimmy. I've been living and working in the Philippines for 3.5 years. In that time, I've seen and experienced all the beauty and wonders that this country has to offer. I've also seen and experienced all the fucking bullshit that this country has to offer. And here's one of them. You have a gigantic hole in the sidewalk. How do you fix it? Put a fucking garbage can in.
Dahil yon sa mga pagkukulang natin, tulad ng NAIA na worst airport in the world, at wala silang seguridad sa ating bansa. At dahil doon, maaaring hindi na sila bumalik at ikalat pa sa iba na nadaya ko dyan, na hold up at na pickpocket. Ngayon, ano pa ang pwede nating gawin? Aba, kailangan naman nating bago sabihin, it's more fun in the Philippines, masabi nga talaga natin na it really is more fun in the Philippines.
I'm Jonathan Gambao. I'm Christopher Foas. We're here to ask or interview people to know if it's really more fun in the Philippines. I'm here to ask Mr. R.C. Maali if it is really more fun in the Philippines. Sir, is it really more fun?
Well, I can't really say because I haven't left the Philippines. So, maybe experience through television and internet. I can say that I guess it's because syempre nasanay na ako dito and I like the culture version. But gusto ko yung experience yung labas. But then I guess it's more fun in the Philippines.
Sir, what are your likes about the Philippines?
I like it when the Filipinos are very hospitable and very friendly and masayang kasama, especially pag inuman, party, everyone's so happy and friendly.
Sir, last question, what are your dislikes about the Philippines?
I don't like it when the Filipinos are too proud of themselves. Masyado na tumataas yung pride, kaya it's getting annoying.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Interview mo siya about sa Philippines. Anong masasabi mo about the Philippines? The good and the bad?
The good and the bad? Well, I can say that the Philippines, I feel more at home because I came from the US. So, yeah. I just feel like more at home. I have more relatives here. But the only problem is that it's too hot. And traffic. And, I don't know, people care less about the environment.
It's not enough to attract them. It must be followed up by absolute commitment and make sure that the product that we give them is a product that lives up forever to its promise. Hindi tayo asenso kung hindi tayo magsisikap. Ano pa ang kailangan? Kundi unity. United we stand, divided we fall. We have to do this if we want to succeed.